Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, a quick look at the sportiest saloon from Skoda, the all-new Skoda Octavia RS. The 4th generation Octavia was revealed in Prague in November 2019. Since June 2020, the Octavia is sold as an estate and lived back with standard petrol and diesel engine. This model is powered by a 2-liter TSI petrol engine producing 245 horsepower and mated to a DSG automatic gearbox, and this spectacular exterior paint is called Mamba Green. Let me know what you think about this sporty Skoda Octavia in the comment section, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you don't miss any future uploads. As always, thank you so much for watching and wish you all a